Okay, on the canoe with my mommy here. We're crossing. This is mommy Auntie Ajumo, and then this is Sister Ene. Mr. Shagu is here. Fearless man. You can see he doesn't like water. This is what agribusiness. Okay, this is what agribusiness is doing. You know, see, this is what agribusiness is doing to us. On our way from Taraba, we are crossing river by ferry.
Show my face.
Yeah. This is in a boat. Wow. This is Auntie Ene. This is Mr. Shegu. Mr. Shegu just sitting there, looking so scary.
Look at it. It's coming up.
Okay, hippopotamus is coming up from somewhere here. Hippopotamus is going down. If you can check the water very well, you will see something black on the water. It's hippopotamus.